hey guys, it's me, Kinsey, and, I just hope you guys enjoy my slime video. So, yeah. Like and subscribe. Peace out. So, hey guys, I'm going to be showing you guys two slimes, and I have a sand slime, and it's cookie dough slime. Sand slime, it is cookie dough. And then I have a clay bread slime. It's really good. Love that slime. These are my only two slimes I have. I know I don't have a lot of slime, but I had two more, but I had to throw them away because they were liquidy. And my parents made me throw them away. So, first one. Love this color. It's like reddish pinkish. It's clay slime. It's really soft and like really smooth, and look. That. Yeah. It's butter slime. I don't know why I call it clay slime. It is butter slime. I know, but I just like calling it clay slime. I don't know. That's just what comes up to my mind. That back. My sand slime. This is really satisfying. Just look at this. It has like jelly cubes in it that are like the chocolate chips. It's really cool. This one you can use it as butter slime like this. It works exactly the same. And I'll show you a jelly cube if I can get one out. They're brown for the cookie dough. It's like a brown. It's really squishy. So if you guys can comment down below, which slime do you like better? This slime or this slime? Just comment down cookie dough slime, or you can comment down sand slime. And for this one, there is not a name, so just comment down butter slime or clay slime, whatever you like to call it. Cookie dough slime or sand slime, you can comment down, and clay slime or butter slime, you can comment. Oh, and it makes this really cool flag.